Oh my goodness, welcome back. Okay, so today I'm wearing the extremely ridiculous earrings. These I think were a fashion fix or something. And I kept them for myself, but look how freakishly long they are, you guys. I mean, they're touching my, shoulders. Anyway, one of you guys sent me this video that's on YouTube, and it's about how to clean and repair your paparazzi jewelry. Here's my thoughts on that. Throw it away. Why clean and repair something? Unless it's a Z piece, which every piece comes broken, especially the turquoise pieces and the pearl pieces, because they're too heavy for the strands they put them on, and it's high quality goods. But yeah, so we're going to watch this. I don't know who this is. She'll probably introduce herself at the beginning. So let's watch. All right.
Hey guys, I'm Tanya with Tanya's Jewelry Shop, and I wanted to come on here today and show you two things. One, I'm going to show you how to take care of your jewelry, how to clean it up, and two, I want to show you how to do simple repairs to your jewelry in case some of it comes loose and some of it falls apart. Really easy things, but good to know, because if you're going to wear jewelry, it's inevitable that it's going to happen. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have here a few pieces of jewelry.
She has here her jewelry repair kit. I recognize the pink pliers.
That are common things that we deal with, okay? So this is a bracelet that I absolutely love, and just from wearing it, and your body chemistry can turn jewelry. If it's costume jewelry, it can turn it colors, and so that can happen, but this is an easy fix. So this particular piece, if you can tell right here, the silver is turnishing a little bit and it looks a little dingy. All you need to do...
It's because it's cheap shit. It really is. It's a little dingy. It's a $5 piece of crap. Ugh, but I love it.
Is grab you a cleaning cloth. You can get these at Walmart. You can get them at a jewelry shop. And all you're going to do is just gently wipe all around your piece. Okay? So from time to time, costume jewelry will turn. Sometimes it's the chemicals that are in the air. Sometimes it's the way that we care for it, perfumes, our body oils, things like that.
That's why you're not supposed to spray on it, sweat on it, sleep in it, shower in it, swim in it. You're not supposed to get it wet. But the environment, especially where I live, everything gets wet. It's called Seattle. It rains all the time.
So look how beautiful this piece looks already. Can you see? I'm not sure if you can tell on the camera, but this one is silver and this one is a little bit more tarnished look. And you can tell on my rag how much I've gotten off already. Okay? So all you have to do is just get one of these rags. Typically the rags have two sides. They have a white side and a colored side. The white side is for polishing, actually for cleaning. The white side is going to be for cleaning your jewelry and getting this, the dirt off. And the colored side, in my case, is purple. You're going to use the purple side just to polish. Okay, this is not to get any of the residue off, but
I'm sorry, but the only thing that I would personally be cleaning is my wedding rings and my inherited stuff that's real. I wouldn't be polishing or wasting my time polishing paparazzi jewelry.
But it's just polishing.
I'm going to speed this up too.
Okay, so I did these two right here, and you can tell how shiny silver they are compared to this one over here that still needs to be touched up. So this is a really easy way to take care of your jewelry. You can do this with earrings, bracelets, necklace, anything that you have, and that will polish your jewelry up really nicely. Another thing I want to show you is that oftentimes when we are wearing our jewelry, a really common problem is this right here. Do you see where this hook right here is open? Can you see where it's open right there? That is an easy fix, but at the same time, your earring will slide right off of this and fall out, and then it appears to be broken. All you need to do is invest in some little pliers like these. These are awesome. These right here, I like to have two because I like to hold one and use the other one for certain work that I'm doing and use it like two hands. So for this, I'm just going to take this little piece right here and I'm going to close it. So all you do is you take your little plier and you're going to put it down at the biggest part and you're going to squeeze it. Okay, let me show you up close. So you can just take this and squeeze, and look, the problem is solved. Now you have, let me bring this closer to you. Now you have that piece right there closed.
Because the fish hooks are such high quality. You know how many earrings I've lost because the fish hook wasn't secured and it just fell out and there was just a fish hook hanging in my ear. Yeah, it's because I'm looking at the ones that Rhonda sent to David, and these are not even closed all the way, and these are the free earrings that came with the necklace. Yeah, I haven't thrown that away yet either, because I thought it was funny.
Closed up. Can you see that? So now your earring is secure, and the earring won't fall off of this earpiece. Okay, so that's an easy way to fix your earring. It's also good to invest in a little jewelry kit. I have this one because I have a ton of jewelry, but you don't have to have one quite this big.
I have this one because it came with my starter kit. Tell the truth, honey bun. It's your paparazzi starter kit. It's your jewelry repair kit that came with your starter kit. Everyone gets one. So just admit the obvious. We get this because the jewelry is known to fall apart. And the only thing that wasn't included in the jewelry kit that came from paparazzi is that polishing cloth that's dirty as sin.
They're very inexpensive. You can get them for just a few bucks at the store. And it comes with a bunch of findings. It has a lobster claw, it has chains, it has a variety of colors because we have jewelry in a bunch of different colors, whether it be different metals, whether it be silver, brass, or gold. Some of these come with chains, they come with backings to the earrings. So lots of little great pieces that you can use because you never know what's going to break. So this is a bracelet that I had, and I slept with it, and it had a chain on it, and the chain snagged and broke. I knew better, but I slept with it anyway. So
oh, she's covering all the 5 S's. She slept in her jewelry. That's a big no-no. You're not supposed to sleep in it.
What I'm going to need is one of these little lobster claws and a chain. Okay? These chains are often found on necklaces. They're either 2 or 3 inch extenders, and this is what makes a necklace long, or you can make your necklace short with it. These right here you can easily cut as well. So if you have a necklace that is a perfect length and you have this hanging off your necklace and it bugs you, you can just take these pliers, simply go in. There is a little opening. You got to find it. It's a tiny one. You probably won't be able to see it on camera, but if you clamp it several times, it will open, and you can slide this right off of your necklace, and now you don't have this on your necklace anymore. But I need this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to find that little opening, and I'm just going to snap to open it. I'm going to need it opened a little bit further than that, so I'm just kind of wiggling, and now you can see that it's open. Okay, so I'm going to take my bracelet, and I'm just going to slide it through. Okay, this is where having 2 of them comes in handy sometimes. You can use it as an extra pair of hands. I take the wider part of my plier and use that to squeeze and close that up. So now I have a chain on my bracelet. This is one of my favorites, and I was sad that it broke, but I knew it would be easy to fix. So now what I need is I need this lobster claw to be placed on the bracelet so that I can attach it. So all I need to do is find in my little bucket here.
You gotta wonder if she purposely broke the stuff so she could fix it. I mean, that's my thoughts on it. So I'm going to take a quick second to get stuff over here because guess what? New releases just dropped. So give me a second to pull that up.
One of these little O-ring.
So give me a second to pull up the fun little new releases and cover my name because I don't need them knowing who I am and canceling yet another account. So new releases are dropping. Let's see what they are, if anything new. So so far I don't see anything exciting. The fire symbol is not going off yet. They did a sneak peek of this piece today, and this honestly looks like a Blockbuster attempt. You May Now Kiss the Bride in Silver. That's not new. That's been out before. Dreamboard Dazzle. That's not new either. That's been out before. Okay. Oh, nope. That hasn't sold out. That hasn't sold out. There's a lot of stuff. Oh, Think Positive. This is one of those pieces that you can get on Nihao for super duper cheap. And you can get it in a variety of styles. I keep twisting mine up, but I have a layered paw necklace right here. You've seen it in other videos. And I got it for 40-something cents. So yeah, you can get positive stuff a lot of other places. Law-breaking loot. I'm sorry, they're naming their stuff Lawbreaker. Oh, the fire symbol just started. We're 2 minutes in. We'll see how long the the newest necklace and the paw necklace last, because I'm pretty sure those will sell out fast. Just like these stupid butterfly brass earrings will probably sell out super duper fast. Then we have copper tone on tone. Ooh! And then we have something that looks like, those will probably sell fast because they're new looking. And they're sparkly and pretty. Oh, we've got gold hearts. Hearts on hearts. Those will probably sell fast. Oh, look. Wicker 101 pot holders for your ears. Those are available. Oh, look. Now we have skillfully stacked in so many different colors. We've got this one and this one. I'm pretty sure the positive bracelet just sold out. Oh, look. Now we have the earrings to go with the Fashion Fix necklace in yellow. So they brought the earrings out, but they still haven't brought out the yellow bracelet yet. I'm still looking to see if they get around to that. They haven't yet. Nope. But it didn't take long for something to sell out. This is going to be a FOMO piece too, right here. That will sell out pretty fast too. So I'm going to go into my cart and I'm going to take out stuff from yesterday that I thought was going to sell and didn't. But yeah, the Think Positive, the cute puppy paw necklace, that sold out super duper fast. So we're going to see how long these ones last, because I'm pretty sure they will sell out fast today. I mean, the positive has already sold out, but you know, we'll see. Divine Iridescence in silver. That's the one that they did the sneak peek on their website today on their Facebook page. Ooh, ah, so exciting. We'll go back to the video on how to clean and repair your jewelry, and we'll come back and see if any of these still lasted, since we're almost done. All right, here we go.
Same thing. You can use the pliers if you need to hold it. If your hands are loose, you can just find that little opening and just push on it and twist a little bit. So now I have an opening right there. I'm going to take this and I'm going to pick up my lobster claw. I'm going to slide it in. And by using this, it helps hold this better than my fingers do. And then I'm also going to add this one in here as well. Now I'm going to take the wide part of my pliers and I'm going to give it a squeeze. So now I close that little ring.
Okay.
Okay, and now my bracelet is completely repaired in just a few seconds. You saw how easy that was. Okay, so now I can take my bracelet and use this chain at any length. Okay, so that is an easy way to repair your jewelry and have it last for years. Jewelry breaks super easy. Sometimes it's just wear and tear.
Jewelry breaks super easy. That's true with paparazzi jewelry, but there are some necklaces that I bought that aren't paparazzi, and I've had them for years, and they haven't broken. Years. Like, we're talking 15, 20 years I've had the same thing, and it hasn't broke. But yes, jewelry breaks super easy. I have a lot of paparazzi jewelry, and a lot of it is broken super duper easy. So she's not wrong there.
Sometimes long necklaces get caught on the doorknobs or on our purses, and there's just a variety of ways that we could damage our jewelry. But thankfully, it is an easy way to repair it, and we have an easy way to keep it clean and lasting a long time. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions, you're more than welcome to leave it in the comments section. And thank you for watching.
So yeah, okay. I'm so glad we got to watch. Okay, so a lot of you guys have been, wow, they haven't sold out yet. A lot of you guys have been sending me stuff and asking about, I'm guessing Savannah Marie did a video today because I've gotten a lot of questions about paparazzi possible, paparazzi possible in the Dominican Republic. And the questions you guys are sending me, I don't have the answers to. And I wouldn't even know where to begin to look, okay? Because they have the Possible Boutique where they sell the hoodie and the tumbler, and they had a bunch of other stuff. But they also have the Paparazzi Possible art supplies, cash donations, and so on and so forth. So, I don't know if this is a for-profit or a non-profit. I have no way to know how to even begin to look that up. So, I don't know if paparazzi is profiting off this or not. I've always speculated, and my opinion is that they are profiting off of all of this in some way, shape, or form. Okay. But again, I have no way to prove that. So, oh my gosh, this hasn't sold out yet. The Sweetheart Stroll. It's an iridescent oil slick heart. Oh my god. I'm still looking. I'm still shocked that that ring hasn't sold out. Or those earrings. Someone's locking their car. And then we have this. I'm sorry. That would get caught on everything. It's just ridiculous. And then we have this. That's ridiculous too. When did that get in the back office? Can you tell I haven't looked for a few days? So anyways. Yeah. This was just a short and sweet how to repair your paparazzi jewelry. Here's how you repair it. You open the garbage can. You throw it away. That's how I would repair it. Don't waste your time repairing something that's not valuable enough to repair. That's how I feel about all of paparazzi jewelry. I mean, I can't tell you how much I've thrown away in the last few months. So, with that, I'll leave that here. I'm going to go play some video games, vacuum the floor, do some dishes. Yeah, wifing today. Yay! So thanks for being here. Appreciate ya. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and have a wonderful